We want to invite you all to the 10th annual health fair event that we will be hosting on August 20th from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Abdi. I am a Tukwila City Council member and I'm the Youth Development Coordinator at Somali Health Board. We want to invite you all to the 10th annual health fair event that we will be hosting on August 20th from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. The address will be listed on this video. Some of the services that we will be providing for this event is COVID-19 vaccination, prevention, some screening, and this is a back to school health fair. So there's a lot of great things that I feel like the community can benefit from this event that Somali Health Board is more than happy to provide. And the good thing about this event is it's in our community. It's much more remote and close to our community. So it's in Burien this year. So that's what makes this 10th annual fair much more unique and much more, I feel like, better for our community. It's a lot closer to our home. So we would love to see you guys there. Have a blessed one.